Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's a little late, but I did originally film this December favorites in December, at the end of December, but one of those days where like nothing was going right, and while I was editing it, just spilled water all over my pants. While I was editing it, it just didn't feel, I don't know, it just wasn't something I was proud of, so I didn't want to post it. And then since then I've been working on a bunch of other things that I'm excited to share with you guys in the future, and just trying to get together more posts and stuff like that. Anyway, today is the December favorites, even though it's January, but better late than never. So, my first favorite of this month is more of like a brand, and that is the brand Acure. I've specifically been loving the brightening facial scrub and the volumizing shampoo. Today's probably not a good example, but I have super thin hair, as you can see, and I need any volume I can get. So this is just super lightweight. It's not, it's a clear shampoo, so it doesn't have any extra weight to it, and it just cleans and kind of lifts my hair, so it gives me just a little extra volume and doesn't make my hair look so fine and thin. This is just a really great exfoliant, and it leaves everything super clean, and it does brighten, so it does what it says. And moving on to my next skincare favorites, you guys know I love Lush, and this one has technically been in a favorites video before, but I don't care. I still really love it, and that is the Breath of Fresh Air Toner Water. If you've been watching my videos at all, you know I have dry skin, so anything that helps combat that, I love. And so, I'm actually going to spray some right now. The toner, so it does combat redness and any irritations in my skin, which is great because I do have sensitive skin. This is not a new product, but it is a new product for me, and I have been loving the Honey Lip Scrub. We all need that exfoliant, especially in the winter time with dry lips. The next favorite is from The Body Shop, and it is the Mineral and Ginger Warming Face Mask. It's great. I used it the other day, and my skin has decided to break out again. I don't know if it's stress acne or I'm eating too much sugar. I'm going to try and cut back on that, so it just, anyway, I've been just getting problem spots on my face a lot, and to combat that, I used this, and within like an hour, I saw everything shrink after using this. So, this has just been great all around because it's warm, so when it's cold outside, you get that little boost of coziness, and it combats your acne and just gets all the nastiness out of your face. So, highly recommend this. I did find this at Marshall's, but I'm sure I can link it down below from the actual Body Shop website. Moving on to makeup favorites. Makeup favorites for this month, it's definitely been the red lip, as you can see, and they are both by Tanya Burr. I love her. I love her vlogs. I love her cookbooks. She's just great. I had one of her lipsticks last year, and I think it's the one that I'm wearing. Normally with like high pigmented lip stuff, I always get some down here and like up here and all over from like eating or drinking. These don't move. I have a liquid lipstick that doesn't go anywhere and actually is super pigmented and just great, as a great formula overall, is a rare find. The one that I'm currently wearing, and this one right here, is called Christmas Stocking, and I love this color for just like a bright red, and it looks great dressed up or down, and it just adds that little touch of Christmas to whatever you're wearing. Even if you're not wearing red or green, it's just a great red. It's actually great all year round, but especially at Christmas, you want to pull out all your reds because it's Christmas. Second one that I wore a lot is more of a deeper red. It kind of resembles the Rimmel 107, but in a liquid lipstick form. One is called Santa's Little Helper, and it is more of like a deep red. And like I said, it kind of resembles the Rimmel 107, which I wore a lot last year, and is just a good Christmas color. But I have been steering more towards liquid lipsticks because they stay longer. That is it for my makeup and like skincare favorites. Moving on to fashion. I am not a tennis shoe person. I normally wear heels, heeled boots. The only tennis shoes I normally wear are like Converse or knockoff Adidas that were just plain white, and I don't know where they went. Like, I was going through my year, and every time I go to look for them, I have no idea where they are. They may be in New Jersey or just like somewhere in DC when I dumped out all my things looking for my car keys. Basically, they're just lost. I've lost my white Adidas knockoffs. But especially like athletic shoes, I don't usually wear. I have one pair from Target that I use for like anytime I have to do any sort of physical activity. I don't have a gym membership, so I don't go to the gym, I don't run, I don't do any of that stuff. So there's really no need to have tennis shoes, except for in November, I went to DC for work, and I made the stupid mistake of wearing new shoes to work one day, and they created 3 like almost like golf ball size blisters on the back of my heels, and I would have like really long days at work and I just could not move. I woke up in the hotel room and I was like, I have to go to work and I cannot move. Like, it was excruciating pain. This is probably too much information, but setting up for why I needed to purchase these. And I was like, I need to find some kind of shoe that's not going to make me hate my life and is going to actually allow me to walk and support my feet at the same time. So I went across the street to the mall and picked up these. They're just my Nike sneakers. I got these for 45 bucks at Nordstrom Rack, and they are the most comfy shoes I own. I love them. I never thought I'd be such a sneaker person, but I have been styling these with my outfits for like a good 2 months. I love them, and I never thought I would say that about a sneaker, but they're so comfortable and they're super cute. They have like mesh lining. And I said I never thought I'd be a fan of sneakers or the athletic shoes, but I freaking love these so much, and I now have incorporated sneakers into my wardrobe. So if you'd like to see a post on how I style my sneakers with my everyday wear, please comment down below, give the video a thumbs up. And yeah, sorry that was a little bit of weird description of these shoes, but they are a favorite. Last but not least, in the fashion category, has to be my moto jacket, my fur-lined moto jacket. I have been seeing these everywhere, like in blog posts. I think Gigi Hadid owns one, and if you'd like to see a good look with this look from Gigi, let me know as well. I've seen variations of this coat everywhere. They have them in like the tan, the nude, the camel color, red. These coats are everywhere, and at first I was like, oh well, like that's cute, but everyone's got one, or it seems like everyone's got them, that I really liked were like really expensive. And then at work they had this one, and I was like, well, that looks a lot like the one I've been looking at online that's like almost $1,000. I can't afford the ones that I've been loving online. So I put it on one day and I just like fell in love, and I didn't want to take it off. The lining is same material as like fuzzy throw blankets that like you have on your couch or your bed that just you cuddle up with, and you're like, no one can ever touch this. Like, I don't know if I can ever wash it because like I don't want it to lose like this how soft it is. And so I wear this around the house everywhere. I rarely take this off because it just feels like I'm wearing a blanket. Even when like I'm inside and people are like, oh, it's okay, take your coat off. I'm like, no, I don't want to. Because it's just so comfortable, and because it's a moto jacket, it looks super cool as well. So it's incredibly comfortable and stylish. I love the like moto design of like the it also jingles a little. That's like the only downside, is that you sound like Santa Claus when you wear it. But I love the belt detail at the bottom and the fur cuffs. It's just, I love this coat so much, and I wear it probably too much. But this is definitely a favorite because I've been wearing it non-stop since I've got it. That is it for like fashion favorites. It wouldn't be me without music favorites. So anything non-Christmas related for music favorites has to be James Arthur's Naked. It was on repeat. I would go switch back and forth between Christmas music and just playing that song over and over again. Some people hate that, but I love him. I love his music, and yeah. Other than Christmas music, that has been in my top list of music for the month of December, as well as Ed Sheeran and Beyonce's version of Perfect. That's a given. And yeah, I think that's it. That is it for my December favorites. Hopefully you guys liked it, and I apologize it's so late in January that this is going up. But I just wanted to film something that I was actually proud of and that you guys would enjoy. So if you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not, please hit the subscribe button. There'll be me over here, and then there's a button down below. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas or whatever you celebrated. I hope you just enjoyed spending time with your loved ones, and come back for more. Bye, friends.